Hello, Muffins! Welcome back to another episode of Kandi Single Inspirations. The technique we're going to be using today is one that I'm going to call organized chaos. And this is actually the technique I most commonly use to come up with just random Kandi singles. And since the Kandi single we're making in today's video isn't going to be anything particularly special, I'm just going to save it to give away to someone who orders something from my Etsy store. The link is going to be down below in my link tree. Go ahead and check that out. I am trying to raise money to leave Texas right now because it's pretty scary here, y'all. Not gonna lie. So if you want to help out, check out my link tree in the description. And anyways, let's get started with the supplies. I'm just using a piece of scrap string from my string bucket-o scrap string. And then I am going to be using this set of like various colors of dice beads. And then I'm also going to combine these with some blue pony beads and some purple pony beads. And so it's going to kind of like take this random assortment of dice beads and I'll just be placing them on randomly, but then we'll have the pony beads in like a uniform pattern in between. So it'll kind of look randomized and purposeful at the same time. So that's what we're going for. All right, so I'm going to start with a purple pony bead here. And then I like to just, without even looking, just select a bead from my variety pack. And this one's green. Boop. That's a tight fit there. It almost didn't fit. Hopefully I can make a whole bracelet with these. Then I'm going to go in with another purple. Then a blue pony bead. Then a purple pony bead. Then I'm going to reach for another random dice bead without looking. And this one turned out to be orange. My only like general rule with these is I don't like to put the same color like twice in a row. So if I randomly pick the same color, I'll just put that one back and pick a different one. So the pattern I'm going for is like purple, variety bead, purple, blue, purple, variety bead, purple, blue. And it should come out like I said, kind of looking chaotic yet organized at the same time, like my brain. So there we got a purple, then a blue, another purple. Right, and let's see what bead we'll randomly pick. See, it's another orange, so I'm gonna pick a different one. I think it looks more random if there's not the same two next to each other. So this one's blue. My string is starting to get frayed. I might have to cut the frays off soon here. We'll see. Then we're gonna grab another purple. Then a blue. Then a purple. And let's see, what color will I randomly pick? A blue. How is it the same again? Twice in a row. Okay, we got an orange. All right. Get that on there. So this is like a very low effort, low amount of brain cells way to come up with a Kandi single. Okay, we've got purple, then blue, then purple. And these like purple and blue neons are like from Walmart brand, so I don't really use these in my nicer stuff. I just save them for singles. All right, what do we got? I somehow pulled another blue. We're going for it. Lots of blue and orange on this one. Okay. Now we've got purple, blue, purple. Yeah, that one's got a rough edge. I'll pick a different one. All right. I'm gonna close my eyes. What am I gonna pick? A purple one. Okay, we haven't done a purple one yet. All right. Purple, blue, purple again. Oh, that one's got a really rough edge on it. All right. Random bead, let's go. I picked another orange. I'm not putting any more orange on here. There's already two. I picked a purple again. How is... I feel like I need to shuffle these. I need to like shake them. Okay, because they're square, they're like really settling it into my square container. Okay, I'm gonna keep picking until I pick something that I haven't used too many of already. Alright, I'm gonna cheat. I'm grabbing the first thing I see that's not a color we already used. This hot pink. We're using a hot pink. Let's go. Yeah. I think I'm gonna put one more dice on and then see how it goes from there. Okay, is there a color in here we haven't been using yet? Ooh, there's like a pale pink. That's kind of cute. Oh, I put them out of put the wrong bead on there. Okay. All right. And since the bracelet started with just like a purple, we're gonna need to put a purple and a blue on this side. And I think it should be big enough to be a reasonable bracelet at that point. Yeah, that's good. Now I'm just gonna tie it off. All right. And here's the final result. It looks randomized, yet purposeful at the same time. It's actually really cute. But yeah, I'll probably give this away to some lucky Etsy customer. I try to give them away to everyone. That's super adorable. Let me know in the comments what bead combinations you went with if you used this technique. And before I go, I want to give a quick shout out to our channel sponsors. We have Invader Icy, Sunflower Boy 003, Spooky Mutt, Robin is Gay, Tina Harris, and Slimy Lucy. Thank you guys so much for supporting the channel, and if you'd like to join them, check out my link tree in the description to get a link to how to join. By the way, thank you so much for watching my video, and until next time, y'all, peace, love, unity, and respect.